Have you ever looked at your planner and just thought, nope? You close it, put it to the side, and tell yourself you'll come back later, but later never comes? That, my friend, is planner overwhelm. It sneaks in when your system gets too complicated, too cluttered, or too full of things you think you should do, but aren't actually helping you. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the signs of planner overwhelm and, more importantly, how to get back to a system that actually works for you. No guilt, no pressure, and no perfection required. Hi, I'm Connie and welcome to Making All the Plans. If we haven't met before, I'm a busy mom of 2 active kids and both my husband and I have full-time careers. My goal is to share with you how I stay on top of all life throws at me in one planner so that you might be able to do the same. Today, as we talk about planner overwhelm, we're going to start by recognizing what planner overwhelm even looks like, because sometimes we don't realize we're in it until we're completely stuck. You might be overwhelmed if you're rewriting the same task day after day, you've started ignoring your planner completely, you feel guilty for not using the system you set up for yourself, or maybe you've started chasing planner peace by buying more supplies or starting over again. Look, I've been there. There's no shame in that, but before you try to fix it with another new layout or planner haul, take a pause and let's talk about what you actually need. Here's your permission slip to hit the pause button. Take a deep breath, step away from your planner for a moment, and ask yourself 2 simple questions. 1, what about this system is overwhelming me? 2, what parts are still working? Maybe it's too many layouts to keep up with. Maybe your spreads are so full you can't find your actual priorities. Or maybe it's just that life got hectic and your planner didn't flex with you. Whatever it is, give yourself grace. Planners are tools, not tests. Once you've taken a moment to reflect, it is time to simplify. And no, that doesn't mean throwing everything out and starting over. Just make small tweaks. Here are 3 things that you can try right now to simplify. Limit your focus to just this week. Let go of the monthly, the goals, the trackers, just for a little bit. Use sticky notes or scratch paper to brain dump what's actually important today. Strip back your layout. 1 pen, 1 highlighter, and no pressure to decorate unless it brings you joy. You could even go digital or use your phone for a few days and then come back to your paper system once you've reset. That's okay too. One thing that's helped me the most is just choosing one thing to focus on, one thing to anchor my planning. When I'm overwhelmed, I don't try to do morning pages and daily to-dos and a weekly reset, a goal check-in, and all of those things. I just pick one thing. For me, that's usually either a Sunday reset or picking my top 3 priorities. For my Sunday reset, I look ahead, plan meals, check schedules, and set my focus. That's it. During the week, I pick my top 3. I keep it simple and focus on one thing at a time. Once that feels second nature, I build back up from there. And this is the fun part, getting to rebuild. And here's the key, rebuild with grace, not guilt. You don't have to track everything. You don't need 12 tabs and 6 dashboards. What you do need is clarity and functionality, a place where your brain can land. So ask yourself, what do I need to see every day? What can I check once a week? What can I let go of completely? Your planner doesn't have to look like anyone else's to be powerful. It just has to work for you. If your planner has been stressing you out, it's time to stop chasing the perfect setup and start building a system that supports your life, even if that means a simple notebook, even if that means starting fresh again. Planner overwhelm doesn't mean you're failing, it just means your system needs to breathe. Let it, and let yourself breathe too. If this video resonated with you, I'd love to hear in the comments what's one small change you're going to make this week to ease planner overwhelm. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a planning reset. And if you want help building a simpler system, check the description box below for related videos. Thanks for being here, and remember, you've got this. You're doing better than you think. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.